Was going to be a busy one, but what do you think of these numbers? What do you think of this report?
You know, these numbers are on par with our other forecasters. Colorado State, another big one. They're right in line with them. So everyone's seeing the same thing at this point. Now, I want to remind you what these outlooks look at. They look at total amount of storms, hurricanes, and major hurricanes across the basin. They don't tell you where storms could go. Now, you know, last year we had 20 storms. That got to nearly the very end of our list. We didn't have anything to worry about all season, so you can have busy seasons where you don't get hit. We've had them. We've also had inactive seasons where we have been hit. 1992 is a great example. Hurricane Andrew. It was the A storm at the end of, or in the peak of the season, and that was a bad season because you had a bad hurricane, but it was fairly inactive. So these are the numbers here: 17 to 25 tropical storms, at least 8 to 13 hurricanes, 4 to 7 major hurricanes. You can see well above average. Why are we seeing these big numbers from these forecasters? Well, there's a couple things. The big one are our water temperatures. The Gulf is really heating up right now, but more so what's happening out here in the Atlantic. See this large, basically blob of orange? Those are record warm water temperatures that are usually what we see in like mid-August. So our May water temperatures right now are as hot as what we typically see as we get into the heart of hurricane season. That's the giant indicator, number one. The number two is La Nina's developing. Could be a strong La Nina or a fairly significant one. That means lower wind shear. We've also got a very active West African monsoon. Those are the tropical waves coming off the continent of Africa. You couple all that together, you check all the boxes for a very busy season. So that's why forecasters continue to say could be an active one. Regardless, you're planning the same. It's really that simple when you live along the Gulf Coast or along any coastal areas here in the U.S. You just got to plan as if it's going to be active every single year and hope nothing comes your way. By the way, National Hurricane Center still highlighting this feature. It's producing some showers and storms, not very organized, but some areas of low pressure trying to develop right in here as this moves south of Bermuda today. They're giving it a 10% chance of becoming something subtropical or tropical. It would be brief more than likely, but it's a sign that, hey, it's about June 1st and it'll be here before we know it, and we'll be getting you ready for it. By the way, our Eye on Hurricane special airing next Wednesday. You'll want to check that out on the 29th. Here we go. We're getting you ready for a hot day. Temperatures near 90 degrees. It will be hot and humid as we head through the weekend as well, so no relief coming anytime soon. This 90 will feel more like around 99, and yes, it does get a tad hotter for our weekend here, 92 to 93, and then staying near 90 into next week. Maybe a little less humidity. Records, I wouldn't say they're likely. You can see our records in yellow here. We're going to stay about 1 to 2 degrees below them Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, but we'll call that near record highs. And either way you look at it, hot, humid, not a whole lot of rain. So our rain chances the next couple of days are going to remain only at about 10%, maybe even 5 to 10%. Yesterday we had one lonely shower pop up near the Lakefront Airport. That was it. So that could happen the next couple of days, but most will stay dry. Monday we'll bump it up to a 20% chance of rain, just meaning a few more showers and storms are possible. Not widespread though. Tuesday you can see a 30% chance of rain with a few thunderstorms. A weak cool front's trying to move in. Does it get here and does it push in? Probably not much. It's not going to bring us major relief. We're getting to that time of year where it's just difficult to get the fronts all the way through. And then you can see next week still a few showers possible, but no major storms in the forecast.